Welcome back to Auto Car Nerd, and today is the last day I'm having this car. I've been enjoying it a lot. Hope you like the videos as well. Thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, I really appreciate it. The plan with this channel is to make it grow even further. I'm going to try my best to upload as much as I can and doing stupid shit with cars. I've not drifted yet on camera, so I have to do that as well. But it's been a wonderful year with the car, a lot of ups and downs. What I will do now is a montage of all the great memories with the CLS 55 AMG. Jag ska stå AMG där nere.
Say goodbye. I'm alone, and all you think I feel, having got the will to go.
And now you've seen all the memories of the car, a lot of ups and downs, buying the car breaking after 2 hours after I bought it. But now it works fine. I've done a ton of mileage on, and today we're going to clean it for the last time on the last ride as well, because it's really dirty. But I enjoyed every single minute I had this car, and on to more greater things. Here's an Auto Car Nerd top tip for you. When you're cleaning the car, you can raise it up to the top suspension mode and you get a ton of room to work inside the wheelbase. This is simply things you only have with the Mercedes CLS 55 AMG. Dirty. I mean, look at the difference. That's one thing that's good when you're wrapping a car, is the protection you get.